Don't let the talking heads mislead you in the stock market. Let's pull the facts from the charts. Let's see what the stock market's really been up to. I'm going to show you 5 charts that tell you the most important things you need to know in the stock market for the last 2 weeks. Let's have a look. Chart number 1. Don't be this guy. Don't forget to buy the dip because there's major opportunity when there's major fear. Let's look at copper. This is a chart I talk about a lot. Copper bottomed out about 2 weeks ago, and it's been going up ever since. That's not a recessionary signal. Copper tanking, falling off a cliff, that's recessionary. Doing what it's doing right here looks pretty strong and pretty optimistic for a comeback. This right here is the VIX, the fear gauge. This is where we want to keep our eyes very, very affixed to. This is back below long-term price. The VIX is back into bearish territory. That's bullish for the stock market. Fear is subsiding. That's important. The next chart we want to look at is 10-year yields. This is probably one of the most watched charts. It's been slowly creeping down over the last couple of days, but really it's in the same place it's been the last couple of months. That is not the bearish story that we're hearing where the bond market's going to crash and fall apart. The 10-year yield has been staying very steady, and it's down today. This is a good sign. Let's have a look at the S&P. Now, the yellow line that you can see right here is our long-term trend. All the tariff news, all the panic brought the S&P down to that level, and it's been going up ever since, which once again is about the last 2 weeks. That's a crazy bullish signal. One of my favorite ones to keep an eye on is this right here. This is a chart of an inverse S&P ETF. This is a bearish S&P ETF. You can see the green bar all the way to the right where we have an arrow pointing to long-term high. This means that people are buying into the bearish picture at record levels. This typically indicates a bottom. This is where traders have gotten so bearish and sentiment has gotten so bad. These are big bottoming signals. So we have some pretty important things to watch. If you're looking at CNBC or social media or anywhere else, just remember people say what they say, look at the charts, get the facts from there. Thanks, everybody. Hopefully that's helpful. Good luck trading.